The high cost of electricity is forcing many Kenyans to explore and tap other sources of energy. From solar and wind to biogas, alternative sources of energy have become popular in the country. In Kiambu County, farmers are using biogas to power their homes, businesses, schools, and other installation. This has seen many farmers cut their energy costs by more than 50%. Frederick Moki has the details.
In the last year, the cost of electricity has gone up by 15% due to failing hydropower occasioned by poor rains, expensive diesel on account of costly oil, and the weakening of the Kenyan shilling. These have seen many people innovate to cut down on the cost of production. Research done by the Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy Corporation in 2021 showed that only 0.30% of households in Kenya are using biogas. This compares to 24% that is used in liquefied petroleum gas, which has also become expensive. The study showed that biogas uptake is growing fast in the agricultural-rich counties of Kiambu, Murang'a, Nakuru, and Nyandarua. In Kiambu County, farmers have shifted to biogas to lower the cost of electricity and conserve the environment.
Electricity here in Kenya is very, very expensive and in most cases very unreliable. But with biogas, because we have a lot of cow dung, it is very reliable and also friendly to the environment.
Hiyo science wakati mambo inaendelea kudevelop, tunapata mifugo ambao wanaweza stahimili ugonjwa, tunapata chakula inaweza fanya kwa weather ambayo ni mbaya.
However, expensive material and installation costs are hampering the fast uptake of biogas. The farmers further want the government to amend the Power Purchase Agreement Act to give them a leeway to sell the same to Kenya Power and other distributors.
We want to call upon positive thinking Kenyans to join us and let us all start using biogas, because we'll stop cutting trees, we'll stop using charcoal, we'll stop using firewood, and together we'll be happy and live a great environment for our generation.
Okay. The farmers challenge the government to invest in research and training of small-scale farmers and the need of embracing the use of renewable sources of energy for the conservation of the environment. The farmers are also encouraging their counterparts to embrace organic farming to improve their yields. Frederick Moki for Lunchtime News.